In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link columns in Monday.com. Linking columns is a powerful way to connect information across different boards so you don't have to duplicate data or constantly switch back and forth. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know how to connect boards, link specific items, and then mirror exactly the data you want to see on your main board. First, let's start with the basic setup. Open the board where you want to bring information in from another board. This will usually be your main working board, like a projects or tasks board. At the top of your columns, add a new column and choose the option called Connect Boards. This is what creates the relationship between your current board and the other board that holds the data you want to reference. When the Connect Boards column setup window appears, select the board that contains the information you want to link to. This might be a resources board, a clients board, or maybe a deadlines board. Take a moment to double-check you're choosing the correct board, because everything else will be based on this connection. Once that column is added, it's time to link specific items. Click into a cell in the Connect Boards column on any row. A panel or pop-up will open showing items from the board you connected. From here, simply select the item that corresponds to that row. For example, if your row is a task, you might link it to a client or a specific project item on the other board. You can repeat this for each row that needs a connection. Now that the items are linked, you're ready to bring data across using a mirror column. At the top of your board, click the plus icon to add a new column and choose Mirror. This column doesn't store new information. Instead, it displays values from the items you've just linked on the other board. After the mirror column appears, click Configure on that column. In the configuration window, first select the Connect Boards column you created earlier. This tells the mirror column where the link is coming from. Then, choose the specific column from the connected board that you want to display. This could be a status column, a date column, a numbers column, or any other field you need. Once you confirm your choices, the mirror column will automatically show that information for each linked item, updating whenever the original data changes. And that's how you link columns in Monday.com using Connect Boards and mirror columns.